The word Anthropocene is like a nickname for the time we're living in right now. It's a way of saying that humans, that's you and me and everyone else, are changing the world in big ways. You know how when you build a sandcastle on the beach, you're changing that little part of the beach? Well, imagine that, but on a much, much bigger scale. That's what we're doing to the Earth. Here are some ways we're changing things. You know how sometimes it feels hotter than it used to, or the weather seems to change more quickly? That's because we're burning things like coal and oil and cutting down lots of trees. This sends gases into the air that make the Earth warmer, which changes the weather. We're also changing the land a lot. When we build cities or farms, we're changing what the land looks like and how it works. This can make it harder for animals and plants to live there. Just like taking too many apples from a tree can mean there aren't enough left for others, we're taking too many fish from the sea and cutting down too many trees. This can make it hard for these animals and plants to survive. You know how litter can make a place look dirty and be bad for animals? Well, we're doing that to the whole Earth. We're putting things like plastic and harmful chemicals into the air, water, and land, which can hurt animals, plants, and even us. You know how if you bring a new animal into a place, it can cause problems for the animals that already live there? We're doing that by moving plants, animals, and even tiny bugs around the world, which can cause big problems. So the Anthropocene is like a big warning sign. It's telling us that we need to be more careful with our Earth, because it's the only one we have. We need to think about how we can live in a way that's good for us, but also good for the Earth and all the other creatures that live here. The term Anthropocene is a relatively new word in our vocabulary. It's used to describe the current geological age, viewed as the period during which human activity has been the dominant influence on climate and the environment. The word itself comes from anthropo, for man, and scene, for new. The Anthropocene is not officially recognized as a geological epoch at the time of writing, but it's widely used in scientific and popular discourse to acknowledge the significant impact humans have had on the Earth's ecosystems. It's believed to have started in the late 18th century with the onset of industrialization, and it's characterized by the global effects of human activity on the Earth's systems. One of the defining characteristics of the Anthropocene is that human activities have a global impact. From climate change to plastic pollution, our actions are affecting the entire planet, not just our local environments. The Anthropocene has seen a significant loss in biodiversity. Species are becoming extinct at a rate much higher than the natural background rate of extinction. This is due to factors like habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation of species. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, have led to an increase in greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere, causing global warming and climate change. Humans have significantly altered the Earth's landscapes to accommodate cities, agriculture, and industry. This has led to habitat loss and fragmentation, soil degradation, and other environmental issues. The Anthropocene is characterized by widespread pollution. This includes air and water pollution, as well as the presence of plastic and other waste materials in the environment. Human activities have significantly altered important biogeochemical cycles, such as the carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus cycles. These alterations can have far-reaching effects on ecosystems and the climate. In conclusion, the concept of the Anthropocene serves as a stark reminder of the profound and lasting impact of human activities on the Earth. It underscores the urgent need for sustainable practices that respect and preserve our planet's delicate ecosystems. Please note that this is a simplified explanation. The Anthropocene is a complex topic with many nuances and ongoing debates in the scientific community.